Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Rutherford County in western North Carolina, northeastern Polk County in western North Carolina, west central Cleveland County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles northwest of Rutherford and moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Rutherford County in western North Carolina, northeastern Polk County in western North Carolina, west central Cleveland County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles northwest of Rutherford, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Forest City, Rutherford, Spindale, Ellenboro, Morrisboro, Austin, Kingstown, Greenville. For your protection, to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-217-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Cleveland, Polk, and Rutherford. Minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include